We'll simplify an exponential expression. We have 3x squared cubed times negative 2x to the fifth cubed. Now what I have here is two products raised to powers, so let's just take each one separately. To simplify 3x squared cubed, I raise each factor to the third power, so I'd have 3 to the third power, or 3 cubed, times x squared cubed. And I'll do the same kind of thing with this part of the expression. I'll raise each factor again to the power 3. So I'm going to have negative 2 cubed times x to the fifth cubed. Now let's simplify what we have in this step. 3 cubed is equal to 27. Here I have a power raised to a power, so to do that I'm going to multiply the exponents. And I'll have x to the 2 times 3, or x to the sixth power. Negative 2 cubed is negative 8. And again, I have a power raised to a power, so I'll multiply the exponents, and I get x to the 5 times 3, or x to the 15th power. And now let's see what we can multiply together here. 27 times negative 8 is equal to negative 216. And here I have x to the 6th power times x to the 15th power. I have the same base raised to 2 powers, and to do that multiplication we add the exponents. So I'm going to have x to the 6th plus 15, or x to the 21st power, and the product then simplifies as negative 216 times x to the 21st power.